some back on stage, not just for foundational literacy and numeracy, but for some very technical stuff. So at Angaza Elimu, what other thing we do is we basically build in hardware engineering talent for Africa. And we're doing this through what we call an Internet of Things training school. So we know that by 2035, Africa is going to produce the biggest workforce than the rest of the world combined. But it's a very big problem. About 56% of students in higher learning are trained with skills basically relevant for the future of work. So this is a problem here. Personally, I'm trained as a student, telecommunication engineering student. I don't speak much about it because I know the curriculum that I went to. So that's the solution that I'm trying to solve. So what we've actually built is very hardware, technical, vocational training by building localized hardware solution. A lot of training for skills for 21st is focused on software, but we're looking onto how can we actually use hardware, because this software is not gonna, it's being powered by hardware, but we're not training students for that. So what we've actually built before the program, we had a smart home kit. IoT is revolutionizing a couple of different stages, and then during the program, what we've actually built is a smart farming kit and a device management platform for project-based learning of this program. So I want to show you what the smart home kit looks like. So I think you can play the video. On stage with me, I have this board. So we're also promoting localized solution built in Kenya, built by Kenyans, so that we stop also keeping importing solutions from Africa. And this is our smart farming kit. So also if you are doing farming, talk to us. We can be able to automate your farm and give you better results. So what we have here, basically, we do teach the students to assemble this smart home. And they basically thinking of what you have in your home. So you are here, you don't know what's actually happening in your home, and you're trying to think, how can I automate lighting? How can I prevent intrusion in my home? So this actually being done by high school students, and they're able to assemble this kit and learn actually how to program this. So for this specific project, I'll show you how this kit is able to actually sense temperature in your home. We all want to live, it's got quite hot today, so how you can actually automate temperature and put on your fan so that you're able to live a comfortable life. So of your phone, you can also track all the parameters in your house and ultimately set threshold. So I'll also stop talking there, and you'll see once they're setting the threshold, because it's too hot, there's a tiny fan that you'll see in the house turning on, and that's basically the automation that's actually happening. And so basically that's what we're doing, project-based learning for students starting in high school all the way to TVETs and universities. So during the program, what we're actually able to do, I showed that the kit that we actually built, and we grew our users from about 1,400 students to over 3,700 students cut across high schools and university students. But what is the impact that we're actually doing? Having graduated these students, we're trying to look at, can they actually build and deploy actual solutions to solve challenges that are actually accelerating the SDGs towards zero hunger, healthcare, and climate actions. That's what we look into. And ultimately, our goal is to be the talent pipeline for building hardware, talent that will be able to solve challenges for Kenya and for the continent as a whole. So if you are looking for talent placement, if you're looking to support talent training in Kenya, kindly come and talk to us in the booth. Thank you so much.